By now, everybody knows that spray and foam is excellent stuff. It works great for sealing gaps and crevices. The weak spot is the straw applicator. Yes, they actually call this the straw. When you screw in the straw, it's nice, clean, and clear. And then you apply the product. Now, after you apply the product, you're left with the spray and foam in the straw applicator, and you want to save that to use later. The problem is it's going to harden in there, and next time you pull it out, it won't work for you. Let me show you a tip. Zoom in close. What is that little nub right there? The manufacturer has added this nub just for you. You're going to bend the straw back and stick it right on that nub. They have now designed it to work like this, and what it's doing is it's sealing it so you won't get air in there and the straw won't dry out. You can now throw it in your toolbox for next time. Now you've saved the product, and next time you're ready to apply more spray and foam, you can simply pull that out and you'll be good to go. If the tip has hardened up on the end, just get any pair of scissors and snip that off. And now you're back in business, ready to go. Thanks for sticking around. I wanted to give you another tip on this great stuff for any spray foam. If you don't want to tuck it in, you can always clean it instantly. As soon as you're done using the product and you want to clean that straw applicator for another use, pick yourself up some degreaser cleaner. So what I want you to do here is back out the applicator, just screw it into the left, pull the straw out, spray the degreaser in there. I don't know if you can see that, but the tube is turning clear. It's blowing all of that spray and foam out of it, and now it's running completely clear. What about the applicator? If we leave it like that, that's going to dry out as well. And now it's running clean again. So now your applicator and your straw are completely clean and clear, ready to go. You can store away your spray and foam ready to use for next time. Hey, I know you can do this yourself. Let me know if you have any questions or comments down below. I will respond within 24 hours.